How to fix correct password but cannot log into Instagram account. Let's get started. First up, what you need to do is try to reset your password. You can navigate to the login page and click on the option of forget password and try to reset the password. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next up, check for the updates for the app Instagram. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can try to log into your account. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, you can forget this Wi-Fi network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Next up, you can use the web version of Instagram. So launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in instagram.com and then search for it. Now go ahead and provide your credentials and then try to log into your account. If none of these solutions work, you can check for the Instagram server issues. For that, open a new tab, then navigate to the website like Down Detector. Then search for the Instagram server status. If there are any outages, you can wait until the problem will be resolved. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is you can contact Instagram support. Open your preferred browser and then type in Instagram support team and then search for it. Now from here you can contact to Instagram customer support team. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix correct password but can't log into Instagram. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.